In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a proposal in HoneyBook, best practices. A great proposal in HoneyBook brings everything your client needs into one clean, professional experience. What you're offering, how much it costs, the contract, and how they'll pay. We'll walk through building it the right way, so it's fast for you and clear for your client. First, start with a solid foundation. In HoneyBook, go to Tools, then Templates, then File Templates. From here, you can build a proposal from scratch or choose a pre-made option from the template gallery to jumpstart your layout. Templates save time and keep your brand consistent. So give yours a clear name and set it up as a reusable base you can personalize for each project. Next, add the 3 core components every strong proposal needs. Begin with services and invoice. List your packages or individual services with clear descriptions, deliverables, and pricing. If you charge on a schedule, use smart dates to automate due dates based on project milestones, like a deposit upon signing or a balance due 30 days before the project date. Double check taxes, discounts, and quantities to ensure the math is accurate. Then insert your contract, paste in your legal terms, and use smart fields to automatically pull in details like client names and project dates so everything stays accurate without manual typing. Keep clauses readable and organized and confirm your acceptance language and signature requirements are included. If you maintain multiple contract versions, save them as separate templates for quick swapping. Finally, set up payment. Choose the methods you'll accept, credit card, bank transfer, or both, and enable autopay so future payments process automatically on their due dates. Clients typically opt in during checkout, which helps reduce missed payments and keeps projects on track. With the essentials in place, personalize the experience. Use the Pages sidebar to add up to 30 pages, structuring your proposal like a persuasive sales letter rather than a plain document. Carry through your brand colors, fonts, and high-quality images, and embed short videos if they help explain your process or showcase work. Keep the flow simple. A brief overview, the offer, social proof, or portfolio highlights, FAQs, and then the invoice, contract, and payment. Aim for clarity, strong contrast for readability, and concise sections that are easy to skim. When everything looks good, click Share. You can send the proposal by email directly from HoneyBook, or generate a direct link to share via text or any messaging platform. Before you send, preview it as a client to test links, totals, and the signature flow. In your message, summarize what's included and the next step. Review, sign, and pay. That's it. Build your template once, customize quickly, and send proposals that convert with confidence.